What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change your side repeaters on your E92. So what you're going to want to do first is grab it and slide it towards the back of the car, and then you can go ahead and lift it up from the front just like that, and then you can pull it out, and then you'll be able to see the spring right here and the wiring harness here. So you can unplug it just like that. It comes out, and then you can install your new one. Just the same way you took it out. So make sure it's the same orientation. So like this, and then you're gonna want to plug it in just like how it was. So you're gonna plug it in, and then get it back in just like how you did, taking it out. Just right in, give it a little push, and that's how you install your side repeaters.